Okay, so I guess you have gone through a lot of videos before clicking this one. Hello there, this is Preetham and now I'm going to tell you how you can delete your account permanently from Amazon. Yes, you heard it right. This is Amazon. Okay, so this is not well known to the general public, and all the videos that I have searched in YouTube, this involves either sending a request or getting a call or just sending a mail, and all these things, it is up to them when they would delete. Some companies make it difficult to delete their account, and Amazon is one of them, which is not an exception either. So, without no further delay, let's check out this method. Let's get to my computer screen. Welcome to my screen. So, let's directly head back to Google Chrome, and I will just paste a given link which I have given in the description below. So I have pasted a link. You can see this is the HTTPS link, and you can directly type and go over there. So I'm just going over there, and the Amazon asks for a sign in. So I do not have any account, so let me add my account in this. So once I have logged in, it just says whether you want to close your account or not. Just it gives a few instructions and you need to proceed forward. Look, in this method directly you are going directly to close Amazon account link. Previous methods which I searched on YouTube, I didn't find any single video on this. So what in other videos those used to do, you used to send either they would either call you back, you have to either send a request, or you have to directly mail them. So that completely depends. So that is up to them when they would delete your account or not. But here this directly comes and immediately your account would be deleted. So the Amazon asks whether. So this gives a permanent warning that account closure is a permanent action, and yes, once you delete your account you can never recover it back, and you will also lose your data from all those Amazon App Store or all those Amazon like websites. So what you need to do is choose a reason, whatever you choose a reason. So I'll be clicking on privacy concerns, and I'll be checking this box. So I'll be clicking close my account. So I'm not clicking because I don't want to delete my account. So if you want to delete your account, you have to just click on close my account. Then Amazon would send you a verification link at your email, and you need to click on that verification link, and that would say close your account permanently. And once you have clicked that, and your account would be permanently deleted from Amazon. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, kindly hit the like button. That's it. Thank you for now.